kaswasik agro machinery kawanra shapi ya kikor ki babunjat ki banpen suk ban stat ha kamrap kamrang jui kini kikor ki kanthop ya mini rice mill ki banpen suk ha kam teliat kaba
kapadi tracer ban pendon kam ha ka bashok kaba ka power tiller lengba ka company ka bananam ka komoko company nang tasa ka power tiller na ka company ka ba khamslam ka greaves ka ba donru ka jakashong ya unongnya lambat kiwe ki jatkor na ka banta ka kamrap kambriang ka swastik agro machinery ka don harani market beltola tinyali persha ka hotel nakshetra
na ka banta ka jingte ba company phila ban phone hakini ginambo
kipai ba nakajai benreu Hindu kibala syong lasa da ki post nem Nongpoh henne kasngi kila pelong ya ka program Pynkup burom ya ba meral bonds im ya kan ka program la pelong hapo kalama jong ka Hindu Welfare Society ya ka bala pelong hapo ka Ying School jong ka Nepali Secondary School Nongpoh.
And we are very happy to know that through this society they have got a new beautiful Machuri band was sponsored by our Dr. ex-MLA Dr. Didi Lapang, and we came to know that this Machuri band had given a very good service to the Nongpoh area, and not only in Nongpoh area, what I came to know is even abroad, so to say, like Umsne, the nearby constituency also.
Hindu is not a religion. Sanatan is a religion. My religion is Sanatan, not Hindu. Hindu comes from the word Sindhu, which is called Indian Ocean. It is called Hind Mahasagar. In Hindi it is called Hind Mahasagar. From that word, Hind become Hindu. Because Aryans came to India and they occupied the central India, and they were very intelligent. And they called themselves that we cross Indian Ocean, we cross Hind Mahasagar. So who are you? We are Hindu. But not the religion. Religion is Sanatan. So please don't spread in that way that this is only for the Hindu people. I'll tell you that this is a welfare society, and you know very well the meaning of society. What is society? Society is not run by one individual. Society means it is a cooperation. I need your help, you need my help. So when we work together, that is called society. So that's why it is called Hindu Welfare Society. Welfare for the people of Nongpoh area, not only the Nongpoh area, we are living in.
Hakani ka program lai don langru da uba plilat tuso Presiden ka Nongpoh Block Congress Committee uba bul lengdo asisten rang ba snong ka Nongpoh kinoelam ka Hindu Welfare Society ki bakunthum ya uba Ashok Thapa Vice President u Madhav Singh Secretary Baderu Unongseng jongane ka society ka Kong Rina Mary Hinyota Principal ka Nepali Secondary School lembat kiwi kinoelam ka Party Congress na Nongpoh.
And what is there in my heart जो हमारे दिल के अंदर में है वो हम बोलेगा जितना भी प्यार जितना भी खुशी जितना भी अच्छा लगता है सब नॉन ट्राइबल लोग के साथ वो जो पहले जो था वो होना चाहिए अभी डॉक्टर डी लपांग और इलेक्शन नहीं खेला ये साल में हमको चाहिए मतलब आपका जो पहला जो प्यार है वही प्यार हमको है अभी हम जीत गया साथ साथ काम कर लेंगे What I would like to assure you is that from my side the very positive language is that we live in peace harmony, nobody will disturb you. That's very important. We live in this country, our lovely country India. It is a secular state. It is a country where we all live, all Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Isai, so we live together in peace and harmony. It is very important. From my side as a public representative also, we'll work together in peace and harmony. And at the same time, I would like to address the issues. You have raised a few issues here, which is very important, as I have said before, that education is my priority. And let's work together with the principal, the managing committee. We'll work together.